Another day, another story. So today, I'm gonna read short story about an ugly duck. Bebek yang buruk rupa. So, the ugly duck isn't about beauty. Jadi, kisah tentang bebek yang buruk rupa itu bukan tentang kecantikan. Have you ever felt like you didn't belong? Kamu pernah gak sih ngerasa kayak you didn't belong, kayak kamu tuh gak termasuk, kayak misalkan contoh di dalam sebuah pertemanan, kamu tuh gak termasuk di antara mereka. Most people remember it as a story about an ugly duck who grows up to become a beautiful swan. Jadi kebanyakan orang mengingat ini sebagai cerita about an ugly duck, tentang bebek yang buruk rupa who grows up to become a beautiful swan, yang tumbuh menjadi angsa yang cantik. But that's not what the story is about. Tapi itu bukan tentang ceritanya, itu bukan intinya. The ugly duck spent most of the story being rejected, mocked, and made to feel like he doesn't belong. Jadi the ugly duck spend most of the story being rejected, kayak si bebek yang buruk rupa ini menghabiskan seluruh cerita being rejected, kayak dikucilkan atau ditolak, mocked and made to feel like he doesn't belong. Jadi di ejek dan dibuat ya seolah-olah dia memang tidak termasuk gitu, he doesn't belong. So eventually, jadi pada akhirnya, he start believing that there must be something wrong with him. Jadi dia mulai percaya bahwa ada sesuatu yang salah dengan dirinya. Most of us know that feeling. Kebanyakan dari kita tahu perasaan itu, rasanya not fitting in and feeling different. Jadi nggak cocok, not fitting in and feeling different, dan merasa berbeda. Wondering if there is something wrong with us. Kayak bertanya-tanya, wondering if there is something wrong with us. Kayak apakah ada yang salah dengan kita? But that's where most people misunderstand this story completely. Tapi justru disitulah kebanyakan orang misunderstand, kayak salah mengerti atau salah memahami this story completely, kayak salah memahami cerita ini sepenuhnya. The ugly duck wasn't rejected because he was ugly. Jadi bebek yang buruk rupa ini tidak dikucilkan atau tidak diterima karena he was ugly, karena dia itu jelek. He was rejected because he was never even a swan in this first place. Jadi dia itu ditolak karena ya he was never even a swan gitu. Dia bahkan bukan angsa gitu. In the first place, kayak sedari awal tuh dia tuh bukan angsa, but he is a duck. Tapi dia bebek. The egg got mixed up and left by mistake. Jadi telurnya itu tertukar, mixed up and left by mistake, dan ditinggalkan karena masalah. Maybe the reason we sometimes feel like we don't belong isn't because there is something wrong with us. Jadi mungkin alasannya kadang kita merasa like we don't belong, kayak kita tuh gak termasuk, isn't because there is something wrong with us. Itu bukan karena ada sesuatu yang salah dengan kita. Like the ugly duck at the end of the story, kayak cerita si bebek buruk rupa ini di akhir at the end of the story, di akhir cerita, we just simply needed to find others like us. Kita cuma perlu menemukan seseorang yang sama kayak kita. Maybe that's why belonging really is. Mungkin that's what belonging really is. Mungkin itulah arti ketermasukan. Ketermasukan yang sebenarnya itu adalah arti ketermasukan yang sebenarnya. Kayak kita termasuk golongan ini loh gitu. Not changing who you are. Bukan merubah siapa kamu, but finding the place where you finally feel like yourself. Tapi menemukan tempat di mana kamu menemukan diri kamu sendiri. So, it is a thing. How could a duck turn into a beautiful swan? It doesn't even make sense though. And what is the lesson from this story? The duck or he isn't ugly. He just simply in a wrong environment. And that's the truth. See?